Good morning. I am 3 minutes earlier today. As always, if you're watching and recording, you're welcome to fast forward about 3 minutes or stay with us through our hellos. Good morning, Zazu. Good morning, Mary. Good morning, Gina. All right, it is time for us to start. Good morning, Mariela. Sorry, good morning, Michael. Let's start now. All right, now it's truly time for us to start. And today we will continue exploring the guideline of aspiration. Rick Hanson writes in his book, Just One Thing, every one of us has dreams, goals, big plans, reasons for living, contribution to others. They include starting a family, changing careers, going to college, deepening the emotionally and sensually intimate aspects of a long-term relationship, writing a book, living a spiritual practice, making art, getting a stoplight installed at a dangerous intersection, losing 30 pounds and keeping it off, saving the whales, saving the world. And many of these dreams are rooted in childhood visions of what's possible. And when the young elements are peeled away, what remains is often still deeply true for a person. all of it becomes our aspirations. So, what are your longings of the heart? What are your big dreams? They could be quite simple, down to earth, and still be your big dreams. Like everybody in the family doing their share of housework, or finding a job that takes less than an hour to drive to, or coming to peace with your mother or with your son, or maybe planting roses, or carving out half an hour a day just for yourself. Of course, your dreams and aspirations could be more far-reaching, lofty, such as reducing bullying in schools, or carbon dumping in the atmosphere, or pursuing your own spiritual awakening. If you truly open to this question, what are the dreams that really matter to me? You'll hear your soul speaking, your essence, your core, your deepest inner wisdom. And it's really worth listening to what it says. And then it's worth looking for ways, practical ways grounded in daily life that move you forward one real step at a time to bring these big dreams to life. So let's explore this together now. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle in. Acknowledge all the circumstances of your practice, starting with the external circumstances, the sounds and sensations of the world immediately around you. And then gradually zooming in on your inner world, your physical sensations, your thoughts, your emotions at the moment. How does it feel to be you right here, right now? Let your breath be soft and easy. Don't try to control it. Simply notice how your breath flows in and out of your body as you inhale and exhale. Each cycle of breath is a reminder that inner and outer are interconnected. Reminder of our oneness. Scan your body from top to bottom, treating each exhale as the opportunity to lean a little bit more into the ground, into the support of it, to trust the support just a little more. As always, choose the primary anchor for this practice. It may be your breath or any sensation in your body that is easy for you to come back to every time you notice that you've been distracted, that you're not here. Now, allow yourself to imagine, to remember younger versions of yourself, and ask them what their dreams are. As you do this, try to be open to what comes up rather than dismissing it as foolish, unrealistic, too late, selfish. Simply observe what surfaces from the younger parts of yourself that still live in you. And after this practice, you may even want to write them all down, even just in a few words, or share them with someone. That makes it a little bit more real. If you like, you can later make a collage of pictures, words that represent your dreams. And remember that your dreams are not set in stone. You can let them breathe and change and grow. Resolve to make room for your dreams in your thoughts and actions. Be your dream's friend. Feel what it would be like if your dreams came true, and how that would be good for you and the whole world. Feel it right now, scanning your body. What if my big dream came true right now? How would that feel? How would that look like? Now, without getting bogged down in details of how you're going to do it exactly, give a little bit of thought to what you could do in realistic, very practical ways to move toward the fulfillment of your dreams. What are the small things that you can implement right now and then build on each day? Again, after this practice is done, maybe go further and write down a plan for yourself with dates on it for every small step that will take you closer to your big dream. And of course, to make your dream reality, you need to take action. It helps to tell the truth about and maybe even keep a record of your actions, like writing down how much time you spend each day exercising, talking lovingly with your partner, or simply curled up relaxing. Now focus on the things that will make the most difference in fulfilling your dream, one little step at a time. Let your dreams live through you. Feel into the wholesome heart of your dream. Feel how it comes from deep within, how it is so healthy to think about it, to have this dream, to start putting it into reality. think about how it will serve you and others. As you go through your day today, I invite you to reflect on what your big dreams are. Again, without dismissing them as being foolish or too late or selfish or completely unrealistic. Just give yourself over to your dreams. Let your dreams become your friends. Everything is possible. It's never too late. So make this first step by recognizing and giving space for reflection about your big dreams. And see what happens next. Watch the magic unfold. Thank you so much for being here. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.